Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technical Analysis YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a different stock, but nonetheless, this stock needs no introduction because it is one of the Max 7 stocks. In fact, this is one of the top 3 stocks in terms of market capitalization, and it's none other than Microsoft, MSFT. So personally, I've been trading Microsoft, or rather investing in Microsoft for the past many years. And I used to have a very big position in Microsoft, and it has been giving me very good dividends from time to time. I've collected quite some dividends from Microsoft already. At a point of time, I have as much as I think 40 shares of Microsoft, but I've been trimming them down consistently over the years. And right now we can see that it has announced earnings a few days ago. And after earnings announcement, you can see the share price just shot up like a rocket. All right, just shot up here, opened at 430 yesterday and dropped to 425. But today we have been looking at another bullish green candle. This is a markup bar. So from 430 go up all the way, all right, to almost 440 at 439 and coming back down. And personally, for myself, I do not have a lot of Microsoft shares left because I've been trimming along the way. Obviously, not at these depressed levels, but at previous high levels around I think 440 or 450, somewhere around here. But today, look at this. All right, today why I'm covering Microsoft is because I'm so intrigued by the price action here. It is a very anomaly. It is a huge anomaly. You can see the price open so high up that it's above, way above the second range of the Bollinger Bands. And purely based on technicals, this is not sustainable. It will likely come down to at least 425 or 420 around this range. Go back to the Bollinger channel because this is way up really. So what I can tell from this chart is that there's a lot of institutional buying after the earnings was released. A lot of insiders, okay, not really insiders, but a lot of market manipulations, a lot of financial institutions, a lot of hedge funds coming in at these levels and pushing the price up. And usually this is not sustainable based on my experience in markets for the past many years. But of course, I do have to say that whatever I share here is really based on my experience and really just for informational purposes only. Do not treat it as financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging markets. Okay, so whatever I share here is really just educational, right? So with that being said, I have personally continued to trim at these levels because you can see, based on the Bollinger analysis, it has gone way up. Okay, one may argue to say that Bollinger Bands are really a time lagging indicator because it only indicates the past but does not project in the future. Well, that is true. You still can't discount the fact that this candlestick really opened way above the previous trading candles, and you can see also that the previous trading candles we already have quite a few green bullish markup bars here, and yet we have a candle opening up so high. So it is a crazy price movement, and personally, I've been taking advantage of the price movement to trim off more shares. Yesterday, I cleared a few shares, 5 shares at 430. Today, I cleared 5 more at 435, and I do not have many left to be honest. But I'm not worried because I'm pretty sure that the price will have some retracement at least to the 425 or 420 level. All right. So right now I do not have much Microsoft shares left, even though this is still one of my favorite company. I'm looking to actually buy back in. I really regret not buying at these levels. For 350 is a very excellent level to add, but unfortunately I did not buy. Okay. Um 360, 375 is also a very good place to add, but again I did not add because I was short of cash previously. So it really highlights the importance of having cash at all times, having dry powder in your brokerage account. Do not be like me, okay? not many cash left. That's why I didn't enter at all these very good price levels. So this is some of a regret that I personally have. I should have keep more cash on my end, but unfortunately I did not. All right. So this is a good lesson to be learned by everyone. Always keep cash in your portfolio. Obviously, do not be overweighted on cash because you will have inflation coming after you. But always have at least 5 to 10% of cash in your portfolio so that you can take advantage of all this crazy price action. So now that it's run up, I'm still glad that I have managed to secure some profits, even though it's not a lot of profits, but I did manage to have profits. Just to let you know, guys, my average price on Microsoft is at 400, so I did capture the delta over here. So it is something to worth celebrating nonetheless. And hopefully I will be able to accumulate more Microsoft along the way as it retraces. And I'll continue to update you guys, all right? Yeah, so do let me know which other stocks you would like me to cover. Personally, I also have a very big position in Google as well. If you'd like me to cover Google stock, please let me know. Yeah, and with that, I will end this video off and I'll see you guys in the next video.